Start with a magic circle and chain 1. This chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 8 single crochets in the circle. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, start with chain 1. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. For this whole pattern, the starting chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. Make 1 single crochet in the same stitch. 3 single crochets in the next stitch. And now mark the middle stitch with a stitch marker. 1, 2, 3. This is the middle stitch. This is the stitch for the next round where you will be making the increase. 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Again 3 single crochets in the next stitch. Mark the middle stitch, this one. Repeat this for the remaining stitches. 1 single crochet, 3 single crochets, once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, start with chain 1. 1 single crochet in each stitch until this mark stitch. Start the next stitch in the same stitch. Three single crochets in this marked stitch. Now repeat this in the remaining stitches. 1 single crochet in each stitch until the mark stitch. 3 single crochets in this mark stitch. You'll have 1 single crochet left. Make 1 single crochet in this stitch and make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. Now with the same pattern, make 1 more piece for the top of the cube and keep it aside. Next on, chain 1. Now we'll be working only in the back loops. 1 back loop single crochet in each and every stitch. This is the back loop. This will make the turning base for the cube. Once you reach that, make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. This is the slip stitch and this is the chain 1 and this is the first single crochet. Make the slip stitch in both the loops. Now make 5 rounds of 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. Start each round with chain 1 and start the next stitch in the same stitch. And continue making 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. And then make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. This is how it will look. Now take the top of the cube and mark the corners with stitch markers. This way it will be easy to make the stitches. Now join the 2 pieces with slip stitches. See to it that the stitches align with each other. Once you have a small opening left, fill it up with fiberfill. This is how it will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.